This video is to show you how to get wrap off of a bonnet of a van that's been on there a long time and it's all brittle and cracked. It's going to show you a bit of it. It's not going to take very long because it's a pig. It's cracked, blistered, peeled, terrible. But awful it is. Gotta get it off. Well, I've got some off so far, but it's a right pain. Heat gun away. This is the kiddie. This is going to be hard to do this and this, but trying to pick this off without the gun. Could literally pick him bit off by bit off. If you can ever grab a bit, it's going to take a dog's age. But with the gun on, heat it. It's not easy to hold a camera and a heat gun and pick at it. So what you can see here is that picking that off is a pain. Using a heat gun makes it less of a pain, but essentially trying to get that off of the vehicle when it's cracked and brittle is a massive twat. But heat helps, you know. You keep the heat on there, it can't stay on there if it's a liquid, so just keep melting it.